Welcome to the third and last video about lighting and softboxes. This video, we're going to talk about beauty dishes, which is kind of opposite of softboxes. Many photographers like me prefer to use beauty dishes because they are small. And if you have continuous light, you can pretty change everything that you want. Softboxes like this, they are not very reflective. Try to get the one that has the white coating. And I kind of like the cast of light on my subject. Some of them, like this Godox, it has a core inside. This little dish inside the beauty dish will prevent all the specular highlight. And you have two levels in order to change your feathering. In most of the reflectors or beauty dishes, we use this one I think is 60-degree honeycomb or grid, which is great for directing the light. We use it for fashion photography, product photography, food photography. These little things can be a softbox too. After putting this dish in the center of your dish and get the feathering that you want, you can attach this soft layer, which is the diffuser for your beauty dish as well. In most of my videos, I use this guy because it is everything. It can be a softbox, it can be a beauty dish, and it can be a very concentrated light, direct light that I want with honeycomb. If you haven't watched my other videos about softboxes that I was talking about what type of softbox you should get, what shape you should get, remember I talk about honeycombs. These honeycombs sometimes sell separately, sometimes they are in the package. You can get this for your softbox in order to get a very soft, but at the same time, very concentrated and directional light toward your subject. At the same time, honeycombs are designed in order to avoid flaring from the source of the light or the softbox to your lens when you're doing photography in a studio. So remember, get a honeycomb. They are super cheap and you will be happy. Thanks for watching this video. I have 3 videos in this series. First is about how to soften the light. Second is about different type of softboxes that you can get, what type you should get, what softbox you should buy. And the third one is about the accessories that you can get for all of this package. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. On the comment section, let me know what you think about softbox. Do you own one? Which one you're gonna buy? And if you need help, don't forget, I'm always here for you. redphotographers.com. Peter here, guys. See you next time.